we think that the most important and the most immediate objective is to free our land from the Ethiopian aggression. And we shall certainly, and we prefer that people will leave things at the end for the nations to decide what form of relation they're going to have with each other.
ولا أعتقد أنه إذا كان نوع من هذا في منطقة دير الدواء قد يحدث انسحاب تكتيكي بسيط لعدة كيلومترات لا أكثر أبدا. هذه هي الحقيقة. من ناحية أخرى أرجو أن تعرفوا تماما أننا لا نقاتل الأحباش حاليا.
It was said in the news that the Ethiopian forces have regained some of the lands which has already been liberated. How true is all this? And we would like to say that we are no longer fighting the Ethiopians. We have already defeated the Ethiopians in battle, and we have even defeated them psychologically. They are no longer fit to fight. As a matter of fact, we are fighting right now the Russians and the Cubans. And there may have been some tactical withdrawals from small parts, but that was only tactical. And it's only clear that these lands which the Ethiopians are talking about were once under the Ethiopian government. Right now they are no longer there.
هذه المناطق كانوا يعتبرونها منذ عهد قريب قبل 8 شهور كانوا يعتبرونها جزءا من أرضهم.
Coordination does exist between us and the Eritrean Liberation Front, and we are both fighting for one end, and that is either we win or we perish completely. What the Eritreans are facing and fighting for is the same thing we are facing and fighting for, and that means the coordination can only be natural between us and them.